so I'm Chris, and this is Anna Kim. Ourselves and a third founder, Olivier, are working on a tool to help the IT sector decarbonise at scale. And we do that by optimising people's software to make it more energy efficient. I'm Chris, I'm the CEO of Rebase, and I've been a digital innovator for the last 20 years or so. Been interested in climate for much longer than that, and recently polarised my efforts away from being a cross-sector consultant and software developer to focusing on climate solutions particularly.
I'm Anna Kim. I am 41 years old. I am German Vietnamese, and I am a sales enthusiast since 17 years now. I think I'm getting old. And I started as a sales representative, and in the past 5 years, I've been working in the startup area, so building like sales and business development and marketing departments. And that is also my passion, combining the sales with the technical understanding. And of course, like climate tech related topics. So I was like very lucky to find Olivier and Chris in this cohort.
Yeah, Olivier, as I say, he's not here with us today because he's just become a father, but he is our CTO, and he's a developer through and through. He was the first developer hire at Canva, actually, and is a regular speaker on sustainability topics at tech conferences around Europe. So we take people's applications, examine them for energy waste, and rewrite their source code to make them more efficient. We do that by a novel application of green generative AI that we are creating. We're working on that alongside the Green Code project, which is a 13 million euro Eureka project I created to deal with this problem space last year. And yeah, in 2025, we want to start seeing some of the outputs of that research and our own work, make it into market and start making impact on the software industry as a whole. It'll be early days for us then. This is a 3-year program followed by a business that's obviously going to go on longer than that. Yeah, we hope to be getting our MVP launched within the next 6 to 9 months.